Hello learners, welcome to chapter 6 of grade 6 science. This chapter is changes around us, and for our understanding we are going to divide it into two parts. So this is part number 1. Oops, what is this chick doing outside the box? Let me put it back, but before that please like, subscribe and share the channel, and this will mean a lot to me. The learning objectives for this chapter are: explain change, describe reversible and irreversible changes, find various ways to bring a change, and finally, differentiate between physical and chemical change. Have you observed the withering of leaves in touch-me-not or mimosa pudica plant? This in fact is a change which is initiated by the plant on touch or stimuli. As an introduction, change is a process to make someone or something become different. Substances undergo sublimation. Chicks hatch from the eggs. Weather of a place changes with time. And we grow from a baby into an adult. These all are changes which we observe within and around us. Slow and fast changes. Changes that happen in a short duration of time are called fast changes. Changes that take a long duration of time to complete are called slow changes. During our entire conversation, we'll try to group the changes according to their similarities. Now, here we have a table of multiple changes, and we are going to identify them one by one whether they are slow or fast. Let's have the first one. Bursting of balloon is fast. Ripening of fruits is slow. Boiling of water is slow. Sharpening of pencil is fast. Boiling of eggs is slow. Growing of hair takes a long time, so it's slow. We have few more. Bursting of tire, it's really a fast one. Growing of nails is slow. Burning of candle wax is slow. Baking of cake, slow. Shredding of paper is fast. And lastly, curdling of milk. It begins as soon as we add vinegar or lemon, so it is fast. Types of changes. Change is of two types, either reversible or irreversible. Let's discuss few examples related to reversible and irreversible changes, and then we'll try to define each of them. Here we have the first example of balloon, and we'll blow air into it. We see a change in its shape and size. Now, if we release the air, it returns to its original shape and size. Let's take another example of A4 paper. So we are going to fold it and make a toy aeroplane. So here we have our plane ready and we are ready to fly. After flying, in case we want the paper back, we can still have it. Our third example is rubber band. If we apply pull to this rubber band within the elastic limit, it elongates. On removal of the pull, it goes back into its original shape and size. If mishandled, it may fly off. These were three situations where the changes could be reversed. It also means that on removing the cause of change, the change can be reversed easily. Now let's define reversible change. Changes that can be easily reversed by removing the cause of change are called reversible changes. Time to have new examples. If we take chalk pieces and out of them we break one into two pieces, is there a possibility to join them again? Let's have the next example. If we take dough and we make roti or bread out of it and we bake it, there is no possibility that we can get the dough back again. Our next example is a pencil. So when we take a pencil and a sharpener and we sharpen it, and there we are. Now we can't put this pencil shaving back into the pencil. Since we have seen the examples, it's time to define irreversible change. Changes that cannot be reversed are called irreversible changes. Here we have two interesting questions. The first one is, if we cut out an airplane out of paper, can we put this piece back? Put on your thinking caps and keep thinking. The answer is No, it's not possible. The second question is, if we take a ball of dough and roll out roti or bread and we somehow did not like its shape, can we change it back into a ball of dough again? Put on your thinking caps and keep thinking. Yes, we can. Here we have some common changes. Let's try to find whether they are reversible or not. Let's go with the first one. Bursting of balloon? No. Boiling of eggs? No. Wet clothes to dry clothes? Yes. Grain to flour? No. Milk to paneer? No. Burning of incense stick? No. Sawing of wood? No. Stretched rubber band? Yes. Melting of ice? Yes. Hot milk to cold milk? Yes. Breaking of glass? No. Let's have some more. Baking of bread? No. Melting of wax? Yes. Rusting of iron? No. Cooking of vegetables? No. Batter to idli? No. Expansion of metals? Yes. Folding clothes? Yes. Stretching of spring? Yes. Solidification of ghee or clarified butter? Yes. Folding of paper? Yes. And lastly, sublimation? Yes. With this, we come to an end of the part 1 of the chapter 6, Changes Around Us. Hope you have enjoyed learning it, and in case you have any questions or queries, please write a mail to learning.space.mk@gmail.com. We will meet again in the next part. Till then, happy learning!